Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix matchmaking failed error in the finals. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. Check the server status and developer's social media. Ensure stable connection. Restart router if acting up, or off or wired connection or wireless. If the error persists, force close the game, as it may still be running in the background. And open the task manager to manage it. Now some players claim that completing a tutorial can miraculously start the game, despite no logical explanation, making it worth a try. Lastly, verify game files. Open Steam. Navigate to your library. Right-click on Finals. Select Properties and click on Verify data files are installed correctly. Then try launching the game. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.